Hi everyone, for today's video, we'll be talking about YouTube TV, family sharing different locations. YouTube TV allows us to share membership with our family in the same household. After you create a family group as a family manager, you can add up to 5 family members to the group. What if we're at different locations? As for the location requirements, the family manager sets the home era. Each family member must primarily live in the same household, and family group member needs to periodically use YouTube TV in your home location to keep access. For simultaneous live streaming, family group members can use YouTube TV on up to 3 separated devices at the same time. If one member is watching from both desktop and mobile device, it counts as 2 out of 3 devices. Well, we hope this video helps you out. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.